Hi everyone, bear with me on this, but this is a rerun of an incident that happened on my space closers video last week.
So you have to make sure it's turning before you commit, don't you?
Yeah.
Alright, well done. With the traffic light sensors, what could happen? You're going for a bit though, you're about. Right, look at the bus. We're through, gas. Off we go. Nice job. So, should the bus have been closing the space down between itself and us coming up to that risk of the traffic light?
Now, before you bus drivers start defending him again, we had the same sort of situation happen only a couple of minutes further up the road. And it happened again on a Saturday morning of a similar time with the same bus and the same driver. So what I'm trying to say is, we are creatures of habit, and if you find yourself doing any of the things that I show in my videos, please, just try and change.
What are we going to do with the red car? Brake more, brake more, brake more. Get slower, get ready. Now, where's the silver one going? Can we go?
Yeah.
Don't rush. Good, we've got priority, you don't have to give way to the bus. Look out to your right. How's your lead? Yeah. Nice job. Good. Alright, well done.
So as we can see, last time wasn't a one-off. This guy is a habitual tailgater.
It was Loctite, yeah. Well done. I had to give you a little bit of an arm twist to get you to do it, but it was...
Even though he does drop back a little, he's still way too close for the conditions and the weather. And again, as me and my pupil approach a roundabout, he gets closer and closer and closer. What if we had to stop suddenly?
Okay, we have a roundabout. We're going to go ahead, please. It's the second junction.
I know that this driver can see in front of us, and he can probably see the roundabouts clear. But he hasn't factored in that my pupil might jump on the brake without even thinking about it. And I can't stop that, don't forget. I'm positive that there's going to be people who are watching this thinking that bus isn't that close. But don't forget, people, the effect of the wide-angled dash cam. At this point round about now, he's about a car length from the back of my car, where he should be 4 seconds away. And even though he had to slow down for the corner, as soon as we start approaching a 30 limit and my pupil starts slowing again, he catches and catches and catches. Did he really think that driving in that way was going to get him to his bus stop any quicker?